Hey everyone, and a huge welcome back to Tune In English, the place where we tune up your English skills together. I'm your host, Adam, and I am absolutely thrilled to be joined today by my fantastic friend and fellow language lover, Amy. Amy, it's so great to have you here.
Thanks for having me, Adam. I'm really excited to be part of the podcast.
Today, we're diving into a topic you use every single day, talking about the future in English. We'll have a natural, native-style conversation, and we've packed it with some super useful idioms that we'll explain later, so stick around until the end.
Definitely. And listeners, feel free to repeat after us to practice your pronunciation.
Absolutely. If you find this helpful, please do hit that like button and subscribe for more. Now, let's jump into the main discussion and see what the future holds. Welcome back, everyone, to Tune In English. I'm Adam.
And I'm Amy. So happy to be here with you all today.
We're talking about the future. It's such a common topic, right? But it's not just about will and going to.
Oh, absolutely not. English has so many ways to talk about what's next. It depends on your plans. It depends on how sure you are.
Exactly. So, Amy, what's on your horizon? Anything fun on the horizon this weekend?
Well, my friends and I are hitting the road on Saturday, a little trip to the coast. We have it all planned out.
Nice. So that's a solid plan. You're using the present continuous. We are hitting the road. It sounds definite.
It is. We booked the hotel and everything. But sometimes plans change. The weather might throw a wrench in the works.
Don't even say that. I hope it doesn't. But you're right. Life is unpredictable. So for less certain things, we use different words. Maybe might or could.
Yes, like I might try surfing if the waves are good, but I am not making any promises.
I can picture that. You'll be riding the wave of adventure. See what I did there?
I did. Very clever. But seriously, this is key for English learners. You choose the future tense based on intention. Is it a plan, a prediction, a spontaneous decision?
Spontaneous. That's a great point. Like, if the phone rings right now, I'll answer it. That's a quick decision made at the moment of speaking. We use will for that.
Right. You don't plan to answer a random call. It just happens. Okay, what about your future, Adam? Any big plans?
Well, a big project at work is finally in the pipeline. It should start next month. I'm using should here because I'm about 80% sure.
That's exciting. It's on the cards then. It's likely to happen.
I really hope so. It's been in the talks for ages. But you never know. Management might still get cold feet and cancel it.
Let's hope not. It sounds like a great opportunity for you. It seems your immediate future is pretty busy then.
It is, but it's all good stuff. I'm trying to just go with the flow and not stress too much.
That's the best way to be. So, to our listeners, we've already used so many natural phrases. We'll break them all down later, I promise.
Definitely. Keep listening to hear how we use these idioms in a full natural English conversation about future plans. Okay, everyone. As promised, it's time to break down all those useful phrases we used during our chat in Section 1. Phrase 1, on the horizon, meaning something that is likely to happen or appear soon. Example, anything fun on the horizon this weekend? Phrase 2, have it all planned out, meaning to have organized all the details for something. Example, a little trip to the coast. We have it all planned out. Phrase 3, throw a wrench in the works, meaning to cause a problem that stops a plan from working. Example, the weather might throw a wrench in the works. Phrase 4, riding the wave, meaning to enjoy or benefit from a period of success or good luck. Example, you'll be riding the wave of adventure. Phrase 5, in the pipeline, meaning something that is being planned or developed and will happen soon. Example, a big project at work is finally in the pipeline. Phrase 6, on the cards, meaning likely or possible to happen. Example, it's on the cards then. It's likely to happen. Phrase 7, get cold feet. Meaning, to suddenly become too frightened to do something you had planned to do. Example, management might still get cold feet and cancel it. Phrase 8, go with the flow. Meaning, to relax and accept a situation without trying to change it. Example, I'm trying to just go with the flow and not stress.
So, we've talked about our personal plans. But how do we talk about things we can't control? Future predictions. The big, wide world stuff.
That's where we get into the realm of will and won't for sure, but also phrases like I reckon or I bet. It's all about what we believe is on the horizon.
True. For example, I reckon electric cars will become the norm soon. It feels inevitable. It's just a matter of time. What do you think?
I see your point, but I'm not entirely convinced. I think it'll take ages for that to happen everywhere. The infrastructure isn't ready yet, so I wouldn't hold your breath for it.
Okay, fair enough. A little friendly disagreement. That's a good example. You used, I think it'll take ages. That's a personal prediction.
It is, and hold your breath is a great idiom. It means don't wait too eagerly. Now, what about promises? That's another big use of the future.
Absolutely. Promises are a big deal. Like, I promise I'll explain all these idioms later. That's a firm commitment. I give you my word.
And we believe you. But promises can be tricky. Sometimes life gets in the way. You might have to cross that bridge when you come to it. You can't predict every problem.
That's so true. It's important to be flexible. You can't bank on everything going perfectly. That's a recipe for disappointment.
Exactly. So for predictions, we often use adverbs, to show how certain we are. It will definitely happen, or it will probably happen.
Right. It might happen. It could happen. The word you choose paints a picture of your certainty. It's not just black and white.
Let's try an example. Adam, where do you see yourself in 5 years? Don't worry, no pressure.
Okay, let's see. I'll hopefully still be making podcasts. I'll probably have moved to a slightly bigger apartment, and I might even have learned to play the guitar.
Nice. You used hopefully, probably, and might. That's perfect. It shows different levels of certainty for different dreams.
It's all about not sounding like a fortune teller, right? The future is fuzzy. Our language should reflect that.
Precisely. It's about possibilities, not just facts. So, to our listeners, pay attention to these little words. They make a huge difference.
They really do. Next, let's talk about the instant future, the decisions we make in a split second.
Now it's time to break down all those useful phrases we used during our chat in Section 2. Phrase 1, a matter of time. Meaning, something is certain to happen, but you don't know when. Example, it's just a matter of time. Phrase 2, take ages. Meaning, to take a very long time. Example, I think it'll take ages for that to happen. Phrase 3, hold your breath. Meaning, to wait for something to happen with great excitement or anticipation, often used to tell someone not to expect something soon. So I wouldn't hold your breath for it. Phrase 4, give you my word. Meaning, to make a very serious promise. Example, I give you my word. Phrase 5, cross that bridge when you come to it. Meaning, to deal with the problem only when it happens, not before. Example, you might have to cross that bridge when you come to it. Phrase 6, bank on. Meaning, to depend on something happening, to be certain about something. Example, you can't bank on everything going perfectly.
The instant future. I love that. It's those quick, on the spot decisions, right? Like offering to help someone.
Exactly. It's the I'll do it moment. For example, if you drop your pen, I'll immediately say, I'll get that for you. It's a spontaneous reaction. You don't plan it.
Yes, it's that instant willingness. It's a big part of being polite and reactive in conversations. It pops up all the time in daily life.
It really does. So this is where Will is king, not for plans, but for instant decisions and offers. Okay, let's switch gears one last time. How do we talk about the more distant future?
Ooh, the big, big picture, dreams, goals, things that feel far away. This is where we often use hope to or would like to. They're a bit softer.
Definitely. I hope to visit Japan someday. It's a dream. It's not a plan with a date yet. It's still just a pipe dream for now.
But a wonderful one. I'd like to learn a third language one day. It's on my bucket list. We're talking about things that are down the line.
Down the line, that's perfect. It means in the more distant future. It's not happening next week, but it's something we're aiming for. We're laying the groundwork for it now.
By learning English, our listeners are laying the groundwork for their futures right now. That's amazing to think about.
It really is. Every little bit of practice adds up. It's all part of the journey. You have to trust the process, even when progress feels slow.
That's the best advice. Don't get discouraged if you can't speak perfectly yet. It will come. Just keep practicing with us.
Absolutely. So we've covered a lot, from definite plans to spontaneous offers, from predictions to big dreams.
It's been a great chat, Adam. I think the key takeaway is to listen for context. The words we choose tell you how certain we are. They tell you our intention.
That's it exactly. It's not about memorizing rules. It's about understanding the feeling behind the words. And now, as promised, we'll break down all those idioms we used.
Yes, let's explain them all so you can start using them yourself.
Now, it's time to break down all those useful phrases we used during our chat in Section 3. Phrase 1. Pops up. To appear or happen suddenly or unexpectedly. Example. It pops up all the time in daily life. Phrase 2. Switch gears. To suddenly change what you are doing or talking about. Example. Okay, let's switch gears one last time. Phrase 3. A pipe dream. A hope or plan that is impossible to achieve. Example. It's still just a pipe dream for now. Phrase 4. Down the line. At some time in the future. Example. We're talking about things that are down the line. Phrase 5. Laying the groundwork. Doing the basic preparation for something. Example. We're laying the groundwork for it now. Phrase 6. Trust the process. To believe that a method will work even if it takes time. Example. You have to trust the process, even when progress feels slow. Phrase 7. Break down. To explain something in detail by separating it into its parts. Example. We'll break down all those idioms we used. And that's it for today. I know that was a lot, but don't try to learn everything at once. Just pick one or two of your favorite phrases and try to use them this week. To help you practice, remember you can download the full conversation and all the examples as a free PDF from the link in the description below. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Tune in English for more. We post new videos every week to help you on your journey. I'd also love to know which phrase you liked best. Comment below. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.